Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. In this comprehensive video, we're diving deep into the captivating world of Pi network mining. Get ready to unlock the potential of Pi tokens and witness how this innovative cryptocurrency mining concept works within the Pi network ecosystem. This is your ultimate guide to Pi network mining. Let's embark on this thrilling journey. Greetings, fellow enthusiasts. I'm JKassah, and I'm thrilled to take you on this mining adventure. Leave any questions you have in the comments. If your goal is to know more about Pi network in general, check this video up here. Pi network mining is revolutionizing the way we earn cryptocurrency, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of technical expertise or expensive mining equipment. Today, we'll delve into the intricate details of Pi network mining, unraveling its inner workings and shedding light on its potential impact. So, grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's explore this decentralized future together. At the core of the Pi network ecosystem lies the revolutionary concept of mining Pi tokens. But what exactly does it mean to mine Pi? Simply put, mining Pi involves contributing your computational power to secure the network, validate transactions, and maintain the integrity of the blockchain. However, Pi network introduces a groundbreaking twist. You can mine Pi tokens right from your smartphone, without the need for specialized hardware or excessive energy consumption. The first step on this mining journey is to download the Pi network app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you've installed the app, creating an account is a breeze. Enter your details, set up your profile, and voila, you're ready to unleash the power of Pi. Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of Pi network mining. Once you've set up your account, the app utilizes a consensus algorithm that leverages your device's idle capacity to validate transactions and add them to the blockchain. Think of it as your smartphone transforming into a powerful mining rig, all while you go about your daily routine. It's mining made easy and accessible to all. The question on everyone's mind: what's in it for you? Pi network mining rewards you with Pi tokens for your contribution to the network's security and growth. These tokens hold the potential to increase in value as Pi network progresses and gains traction. Plus, Pi network has a unique mining system that allows you to earn rewards even when you're offline. That's right, your mining efforts are not confined to the hours you spend actively using your phone. The Pi network app continues to work in the background, ensuring that your dedication pays off. The Pi network community is buzzing with success stories of early miners who have already accumulated significant amounts of Pi tokens. Just imagine being part of this groundbreaking movement and securing your financial future with a simple tap on your phone. It's an opportunity unlike any other in the crypto world. So, join the growing community of Pi miners and embark on this exciting journey toward potential prosperity. Pi network is not just about mining, it's a vibrant and engaging community. Once you're part of the Pi network ecosystem, you can connect with fellow miners, participate in discussions, and contribute to the network's development. Pi network thrives on the power of collaboration and the active involvement of its members. By engaging with the community, you're not only shaping the future of Pi network but also forging valuable connections with like-minded individuals. It's important to note that Pi network is still in its early stages, referred to as the testnet phase. During this phase, The Pi tokens you mine hold no monetary value outside of the Pi network ecosystem. However, as the project progresses and transitions to the mainnet phase, the Pi tokens you've accumulated will become valuable and tradable. So, by mining Pi now, you're laying the foundation for future financial opportunities. Now that you're equipped with the knowledge of Pi network mining, let's explore some tips and strategies to maximize your mining potential. First, invite your friends and family to join Pi network using your referral code. By doing so, you'll earn additional Pi tokens and strengthen the network's reach. Second, actively engage in the community by participating in discussions, providing feedback, and contributing your ideas. The more involved you are, the greater your impact on the ecosystem. Lastly, stay informed about the latest developments and updates from the Pi network team. Follow their social media channels, join official Pi network communities, and keep an eye out for exciting announcements. Remember, being an informed miner enhances your understanding of the project and positions you for long-term success. To recap, Pi network mining is a groundbreaking opportunity to earn cryptocurrency right from your smartphone. By contributing your idle capacity, you're securing the network, earning rewards, and shaping the future of this decentralized ecosystem. Don't miss out on this chance to be part of a community-driven movement that's redefining the crypto landscape. Thank you for joining me on this immersive exploration of Pi network mining. If you found this video informative and exciting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, grab your phone, download the Pi Network app, and let's embark on this mining adventure together. Until next time, happy mining!